Hi, welcome to the Vive Mars tutorial. Today we'll guide you through updating Mars firmware, ensuring you have the latest features and enhancements for the best experience. Stay tuned to unlock new possibilities. Mars regularly checks for updates automatically when connected to the internet. To update Mars firmware over the air, please connect Mars to the internet first. Tap Settings on the Mars dashboard. Tap System Info. Tap Check Update or Check for Updates if you are using an older version. Mars will check for newer versions on the server. If a new version is available, a notification System Update Available will pop up. Press Update now and follow the instructions to proceed with the update. You may also update the firmware manually. Here's how. Go to the Vive Mars website on a PC or a laptop. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to find the Support section. Click on Mars firmware and then click Download to get the latest update package. Copy the downloaded file to a USB Type-A flash drive. Connect the flash drive to one of the USB Type-A ports on the back of the Mars. Tap Settings on the Mars dashboard. Tap System Info and tap Check Update. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the firmware update package. It takes about 10 minutes to update a version. If the system needs to perform configuration now, please do not disconnect rovers from Mars. When you see the dialog Configuration Complete, press OK. Let's check the current version on the Mars dashboard. When you press Check Update and the system says No new updates found, you're all set. We hope you find this video helpful. If you want to know more about Vive Mars, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.